For the right vehicle, check out the 2016 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power door locks, heated driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.